Uniswap may drop 24.9% by June 18, according to Gov Capital Collector. First, let's go over the latest move we've seen in the market. At this moment, Uniswap is up by 24.3% and is floating near $3.632. Now onto the expert forecast set. By June 18, Traders Union says we might be looking at $3.586. That's a decrease of 1.3%. CoinDataFlow puts the target for Uniswap at $3.52, about 3.1% below current value. According to CoinLore, it might fall toward $3.31, an estimated loss of 8.9%. A separate analysis by Gov Capital Collector suggests Uniswap could retreat toward $2.726, roughly 24.9% lower. Finally, Crypto Predictions suggests a decline to $2.572 by June 18. That's 29.2% down. This forecast stands out for its return potential. Those were 5 analyst views for tomorrow. Let's keep going. We've seen the projections. Time to check the forecast metrics. Based on the forecasts examined today, the expected price variation could be from a decrease of 29.2% to a drop of 1.3%, depending on the analyst. From all predictions, Crypto Predictions takes the lead with 29.2% gain in value by tomorrow. Based on these forecasts, you could earn between $13 and $292 for every $1,000 you invest. By probability measures, Traders Union's forecast is at the top of the chart, with a 94.5% chance of success. Looking across the 5 forecasts, I've built a consensus outlook for clarity. Taken together, forecasts indicate Uniswap could drop close to 13.5% overall. Now, let's go through the numbers. Consensus view highlights a 13.5% fall in price. That outcome means your capital could also register growth of 13.5%. A 1,000 investment could illustrate a profit of about $135 in this case. This consensus outlook is associated with a likelihood of about 3.7%. To follow up, let's see how analysts describe the 3-day performance. A stable outlook is projected by Traders Union, suggesting no major drivers for movement. CoinDataFlow highlights building pressure to the downside. Meanwhile, CoinLore expects the price to slump further. A slide is similarly anticipated by Gov Capital Collector, with pressure on the downside. Additionally, Crypto Predictions highlights that Uniswap could slide lower. The combined view highlights Uniswap following a bearish course for the next 3 days. Altogether, 80% of forecasts point toward Uniswap trending lower in the short term. 2 days back, 5 sites posted forecasts for tomorrow. That tomorrow has already passed, so let's review the results. In the end, the closing candle marked $3.292. In this case, the majority of analysts got the move correct. The tightest forecast was produced by third rates. Let's clear it up step by step. None of the 5 forecasts aligned with the candle's limits. Speaking of ROI, part of the group achieved positive results, and 30 rates had the highest return at 26.8%. Here's the results overview, a compact comparison of every forecast. As for coin price forecast, the data shows 26.8% ROI and $0.672 accuracy. Look carefully and spot who stayed closest to the real move. Now take a look at how Uniswap ranks in tomorrow's expected profitability among several cryptocurrencies. In tomorrow's forecast overview, Uniswap stays at the top with 13.5% in potential return. For now, Uniswap is compared with only 4 random cryptocurrencies, but a detailed comparison with many more is already published on my website. If you find value in seeing several analysts side by side, show your support with a like and subscribe. See you in the next analyst check.